How to see your card number on Bank of America app. The Bank of America app makes it easier than ever to access your card details right from your phone. In this video, I will show you how can you view your full card number directly on your Bank of America app. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Bank of America app on your mobile device. Enter your username and the password, or use Face ID or Touch ID if enabled to log in securely. Once logged in, go to the Accounts tab. This section shows all your linked accounts including checking, savings, and credit cards. Tap on the credit card or debit card account for which you need the card number. This will take you to the account details screen, showing recent transactions and balance information. Look for an option labeled Digital Card or View Card Details. This section contains your card information including the full card number, expiration date, and CVV, depending on the security settings. For the security reasons, you may be prompted to verify your identity. This could be through a one-time passcode sent to your phone or email, Face ID or Touch ID verification. Once authenticated, your full card number will be visible on the screen. For added security, the number may be displayed for a short time, so make sure to note it down or use it immediately as needed. If you want to hide the number after viewing, simply navigate away from the screen or close the app. The app is designed to automatically conceal sensitive information when inactive. And there you have it. With just a few taps, you can easily view your card number directly within the Bank of America app, making it super convenient when need quick access. Always ensure you are in a private and secure location when viewing sensitive details, and log out of the app when finished. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.